4th of July comes and these things never work. Today, I got a new lighter. This is a plasma lighter. These have been getting popular recently because they use electricity rather than actual flame or butane and stuff like that. This is the package it came in. Came with a lanyard and a USB charger to charge up the battery inside of it. But this is what it looks like. It has this little handle here that holds the lid shut when you're not using it. So you pull this down, push this button, and opens up. Looks like this. And this is the coolest thing. You push this, and it puts a little arcs in there, and they get super, super hot, and you can kind of hear a little hissing coming out of them. So, will this light a punk? Oh my gosh, I hope so. That's what I got this for lighting punks. So I'll stick it in here. And it's lighting it up pretty good. Let's go ahead and rotate a little bit. Oh yeah. Working? I think so. There's a little bit of wind happening here, and you can tell it's affecting the arc a little bit. So this is affected by wind, which I was not planning on it actually being affected much. But there's enough there, I guess, that it does. And it lit it. Sorry about the wind noise. It did light the punk, and if I keep blowing on it, I think it's going to work just fine. I'm going to try to light one of these sparklers. Lit the paper on fire just fine. See if I can get it to light the actual sparkler itself. Oh yeah. No problem. No problem at all. Oh good. Now as long as this thing lasts till next year, I will have a good lighter for 4th of July. I'm sure you can also light cigarettes and who knows what other kind of stuff with this. But anyway, kind of cool. I ordered this and another like Zippo looking lighter. But this is by far the coolest. I think they call these plasma lighters. So anyway, if you're interested in this, I'll have some links down in the description. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll try to help you out as best I can. And as always, thanks for watching.